Chapter 7 My Uncle is a Zookeeper. Lizard, elephant, elephant, tiger, tiger, panda, panda, monkey, monkey, crocodiles, crocodiles, bear, bear. Today, I hope you are all fine. Today you will learn about my uncle is a zookeeper. But before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Finished. In here you will learn about
to communicate states and events that happen routinely or as general truths, in order to appreciate the nature, to show our pride in something, or to give good and bad samples.
We have a study tour in a zoo. What animals do you see in the picture? Bear, bear, beruang. Next, what animals do you see in the picture? Tiger, tiger, harimau. Next, what animals do you see in the picture? Monkey, monkey, monyet. Next, what animals do you see in the picture? Elephant, elephant, gajah. What animals do you see in the picture? Deer, deer, kijang atau rusa. Study tour in a zoo. What animals do you see in the picture? Bear, bear, beruang. Next, what animals do you see in the picture? Tiger, tiger, harimau. Next, what animals do you see in the picture? Monkey, monkey, monyet. Next, what animals do you see in the picture? Elephant, elephant, gajah. What animals do you see in the picture? Deer, deer. The zoo, kebun binatang. Animals in the zoo, hewan-hewan yang ada di kebun binatang. And a zookeeper, penjaga binatang. My uncle is a zookeeper. Pamanku adalah seorang penjaga kebun binatang. Nah, bagian ini kalian akan belajar berbicara, speaking skills. Kalian ikuti, listen and repeat, dengar dan ulangi.
Elephants are the heaviest land animals. They are also intelligent and have good memories. Most of them live in Africa and Asia, such as in Lampung, Indonesia. They use their long trunks almost like an arm, to put food and water in their mouths. They eat grass and plants.
Yuk kita terjemahkan bersama. Elephants are the heaviest land animals. Gajah adalah hewan darat terberat. They are also intelligent and have good memories. Mereka juga cerdas dan memiliki ingatan yang baik. Most of them live in Africa and Asia, such as in Lampung, Indonesia. Sebagian besar mereka tinggal di Afrika dan Asia, seperti di Lampung, Indonesia. They use their long trunks almost like an arm. Mereka menggunakan belalai panjang hampir seperti lengan. To put food and water in the mouth, untuk memasukkan makanan dan air ke dalam mulut mereka. They eat grass and plants. Mereka makan rumput dan tumbuhan.
Tigers are the biggest of all cats. They live in the grasslands and forests. Their strip coat gives them good camouflage when they hunt. They love meat to eat.
Artinya, tigers are the biggest of all cats. Harimau adalah yang paling besar dari semua kucing. They live in the grasslands and forests. Mereka hidup di padang rumput dan hutan. Their strip coat gives them good camouflage when they hunt. Kulit belang mereka memberikan kamuflase yang baik saat berburu. They love meat to eat. Mereka suka makan daging.
Bears have thick fur coats to protect them from the cold. Most of them live in northern parts of the world. They are large and powerful. They have a good sense of smell. Some of them eat meat, and some of them eat honey. In winter, some bears find a snug place to hibernate.
Artinya, bears have thick fur coats to protect them from the cold. Beruang memiliki bulu yang tebal untuk melindungi mereka dari hawa dingin. Most of them live in northern part of the world. Sebagian besar mereka tinggal di belahan bumi utara. They are large and powerful. Mereka besar dan kuat. They have a good sense of smell. Mereka memiliki penciuman yang bagus. Some of them eat meat. Sebagian mereka makan daging. And some of them eat honey. Dan sebagian mereka makan madu. In winter, di musim dingin, some bears find a snug place to hibernate. Beberapa beruang mencari tempat yang nyaman untuk hibernasi.
Monkeys are clever mammals that can solve problems and hold things in their hands. They live in groups called troops. Monkey eat plants, bird eggs, small animals, and insects. Most of them live in the forest.
Artinya, monkeys are clever mammals that can solve problems. Monyet adalah mamalia pintar yang dapat memecahkan masalah and hold things in their hands, dan memegang barang di tangan mereka. They live in groups called troops. Mereka hidup berkelompok yang disebut pasukan. Monkey eat plants, birds, animals, and insects. Monyet makan tumbuhan, telur burung, hewan kecil, dan serangga. Most of them live in the forest. Kebanyakan dari mereka tinggal di hutan. Next, open page 89. Nah, di sini ada disajikan sebuah tabel membandingkan antara beberapa hewan dengan beberapa ciri-cirinya. Number 1, animals, elephants, habitat Africa and Asia, food, grass and plants, activity, use their long trunks to put food and water in their mouths. Characteristics are the heaviest land animals. Nah, for number 2, tigers. Tigers habitatnya di mana? Habitatnya they live in the grasslands and forests. Foodnya apa aja? They love meat to eat. And then activity-nya ngapain? Aktivitasnya ngapain? They hunt. Mereka suka berburu ya. Lalu karakteristiknya apa? They have striped coat. Mereka punya kulit yang belang-belang. Begitu ya. Kemudian kalian kerjakan nomor 3 dan 4 dilihat dari teksnya. Oke. Next, there are many animals around us. Ada banyak binatang di sekitar kita. We will find 3 different animals. Kita akan menemukan 3 hewan yang berbeda. And describe them one by one, dan mendeskripsikannya satu demi satu. Nah, di sini ada satu contoh animalsnya rabbits. Rabbits itu kelinci. Habitatnya di mana? They live in burrows. Food, makanannya, they eat carrots. Activity, they hop. Characteristic, rabbits are tame animals. They have 2 long ears. Jadi di sini nomor 2 dan 3 kalian cari binatang di sekitar kita yang dekat dengan kita, bisa kucing, burung, bebek, angsa, dan lainnya. Kamu tulis di nomor 2 dan 3, oke? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. And then your assignment is to record your voice, untuk merekam suara kalian by reading this text, dengan membaca teks-teks ini, okay? And then you